Hi everyone, welcome back. Making today is Halloween will be at the end of the month, and I thought I'd share with you my old idea of the charms that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna be making thunder and lightning earrings, perfect for Halloween weather. This is brand new, made in China, of course. And all you do is open the bag. You need two charms. This is what it looks like. This is sterling silver, stainless steel. You need some ear hooks. These are called ear hooks. You need 2 or 12, or however you want to make them. And the jump ring I'm using is a 4mm silver jump ring. You need your jewelry tools, flat nose, round nose, flat nose. We have a trash can nearby. Discard the trash. Oh, one already popped out. Oh, popping all over the place. Let's mix it up. Remember how to open up a jump ring? Well, let's review. You want to find the opening and put it in between your pliers. Twist. Take your ear hook. You do you. This is how I do it. You see that hole? Place your jump ring through the hole. And see that hole? Place it through the hole. Oops. If everything falls, pick it back up. If it's too small, get a size 6mm. You keep dropping everything, pick it back up, and open that hole a little bigger. Oops. Too small, I think. Make sure it's secure. And there you have it. It's secure. It looks really nice. I think I'll spin test. This is my secret spin test. Do the same thing to the other pair. breathtaking, isn't it? It's like Angel's being really quiet today, which is nice. She's doing really good. Can't believe I'm getting better and all the time because of my jump rings. Let me know if I did a good job. I can make a good thumbs up. Don't forget to like these videos and to subscribe. Stay tuned for to see you want to see different types of charms or bracelets, necklaces, chains, bangles, whatever. Just give me a good like. Don't be afraid to like the videos. It helps me out and it supports this channel. So, and there you have it. There's your earring. Let's see what it looks like. All you do is open up. In this video, you need to learn how to open up a jump ring and connect. Let's scoot you in a little closer. There we go. For Halloween. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my site probably later on. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the other videos. And I hope you like these videos. So give me good confidence and reminds me of how to do them. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for returning. And I hope to see you guys back here again. The thunder and lightning earrings. I got it from this. And you need some air hooks. And some, if these are too small, go to a 5 or a 6. Sometimes I struggle because I'm not used to the 4mm ones just yet. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye, everybody.